In this video, I'm going to show you how to define a title name, a name for a table, and also we're going to use that name, that table name, in a formula. So we're going to go over to our 09 Pet Pharma Sales spreadsheet, and we are on our August sales tab. And so we have a table we've set up. It's a pretty big table. Goes through line or row 93. But to do this, just click anywhere in the table, activate any of the cells, and your Table Tools Design tab should pop up at the top. And in our name box, instead of Table 1, it's going to automatically call it Table 1. But we're going to rename it. We want to call it Drug Sales. Enter. So press enter, and then you've named it Drug Sales. So the name of this table is now Drug Sales. And now we're going to go down to D97. So D97. So this is sales of dog only product. So right now, if I double click on this, let me zoom in. Let me undo that. So let me go into let's go to our view tab. We're going to zoom to selection. That way you can see it a little bit better. But this is D97 up here. And if you notice, we have it's called sum, our formula. Let me double click. Sum, and it has K7 to K93. So what we're going to do, we're going to type over this, but we're going to keep our sum equals sum. And then we're going to put in parentheses DR, and automatically it suggests drug sales. I don't know what happened here. Drug sales. I don't know why I can't click on it and it work. Drug sales. So once it gives us that, we can tab, and that'll take us to the end, and it'll insert that little thing that it suggests. Then we're going to put a square bracket in, not a curly, but a square bracket. And now we got to tell it. So we told it the name of the table, and we want to put total sales. Let's see. And we want to find total sales, which is right here, and click tab. So we have drug sales, our table name. We have total sales. And then we have to close our bracket, close our parenthesis. It should give us the same thing that was there before. Let's see if that matches. 261, yes. So now we're going to go down to cell D98 and click on it. We have sum, and we're using the if statement or if function. We haven't learned this yet, but I'm going to go ahead and use it. So if, and so instead of C7 to C93, we're going to do drug sales. Drug sales, and it suggests that, so we do that. So we hit tab and it takes us over to the right. Drug sales. Then we have a square bracket to treat. Close the square bracket. So that's the name of one of our columns. Comma. And we got to tell it what to do. So we're going to do dog. It's going to look for dog. So if it finds dog, we're going to give us the total sales. And then we close our bracket and close our parenthesis. Formula is missing an opening or closing parenthesis, so let's go through and drug sales. Let's see, oh, the if. So we need some if. Yeah, we can take the one out before the if. I don't know why that's there. Some if, so 157,691. So sum if drug sales, which is our table, to treat column, finds dog, and it's going to give us the total sales of dog and drug sales. And it wants us to do the same thing with D99. See if we can do that. So all we got to do, replace this with drug sales, tab, drug sales, to treat, we find our column to treat, close our comma, and we want cat, parentheses, and then this is going to be drug sales, and next to drug sales, total sales. See if that'll work. No, something's wrong. So drug sales equals sum if, in parentheses, drug sales to treat, comma, cat, comma, drug sales, and I have a comma in there I shouldn't have. Total sales. See if that works. What happened here? Yep, that's it. So that's how you create a name for your table and how to use it in a formula.